Sophie, can you show Anderson how a fork works?
Show him how you eat. Take a big bite to show him how you eat. Hey, Anderson, look at how I eat.
Hey, Anderson. What's he looking at? He's looking at you.
Show him how you use your fork. No, he wants to see how you use your fork.
Oh, okay.
Show him how you use your dingle hopper. Use your dingle hopper to brush your hair. That's silly.